Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat notifications not working on iPhone or any other phone. So you will have to go on your settings and then you're going to scroll down to find Snapchat. And you're going to click on notifications and allow notifications. You can also choose what notifications you want to get: banners, notification center, or lock screen, banner style, and so on. So this is the first step, and if you want to get a specific notifications, you will have to go to your Snapchat, click on the settings button right here and find a notifications, and here are all of notifications you can choose. So you can turn off stories from friends, for example, or birthdays notifications. And that's how you can turn on and fix the Snapchat notifications on iPhone. Something similar is also on Android. So if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to this channel, and take care. Bye.